Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the problem. Duplicate the image and make a stamped layer so you never touch originals. Once done, toggle layers to study the hotspot's shape, edge hardness, and color shift. Make a selection roughly around the hotspot with the lasso tool, feather it 2060px to blend later, and pick a soft, healing brush preview of 3080px. This prepares you to fix tone without destroying texture. Next, you'll neutralize the highlight with content-aware techniques. Now you neutralize the hotspot's brightness and hue. Use spot healing set to content-aware on the stamped layer to pull neighboring tones into the selection. Work in short strokes and disable preserve texture if it oversmooths. Once the tone is close, switch to clone stamp with sample all layers checked to copy pore and fabric detail from adjacent areas. Use low flow and small patches. Make sure to alternate healing and cloning so color and texture stay consistent. This keeps the fix invisible while preserving realism. Finish by matching texture and contrast. If texture looks soft, apply frequency separation. Low frequency layer for tone smoothing, high frequency for texture restoration. Paint texture back with a 50-70% opacity brush. Once done, use camera raw or a curves adjustment on a layer mask limited to the area to tweak highlights and local contrast. If you see ghosting or hard edges, lower the edited layer's opacity and refine the clone/heal transitions with a soft low opacity brush. This troubleshooting keeps edits seamless and believable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.